what's up everyone, Call here. We're out in the Sunshine Coast with Hipcamp, and today I want to show you one of my favorite recipes to cook outdoors. But first, we got to get some fresh prawns. So we're going to go prawning with Kevin. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a quick chili garlic prawn noodle. It's sweet and it's a little bit spicy, and it's going to be a great addition to your outdoor recipe repertoire. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some oil to our pan, just about a tablespoon and maybe a half, and then we are going to turn on our stove. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some of this garlic. So pre-mince it and then just get some of that going. We wanna get it until it's translucent. Next we're gonna add some shallots. So just beautiful cut up shallots. Nice minced and as small as you can get them. I have the heat on like a medium or a medium low. I don't want these to burn. And now we have our prawns that are nice and freshly caught. So we're just gonna add a handful into here now that our garlic and our onions are going. This whole process, this shouldn't take too long. Some of you might be saying, that is an obscene amount of garlic. That's because it is. Basically in everything that I cook, I probably add 3 to 4 extra garlic cloves. So feel free when you're making this recipe to do a little bit less. I just love it. So deal with it. Oh, that smells so good. So now we're gonna add in our noodles from our Shin Ramyeon. I don't know if I said that right, but we're just gonna boil the noodles. And I just go until these are whatever our version of al dente is. Mussels. There are better ways to do this, and it's easier than it looks. I mean, this is hard for me. We are now going to be adding our chili paste with soybean oil. This is basically like any sort of chili paste or chili oil, and we're going to use this as a substitute because I think this tastes really good. It's nice and sweet, and so it's going to add a bit of sweetness, so we're not going to add any sugar, and it's got a bit of spice, and so this is incredible stuff. If you can find this, use this, but if not, you can substitute this with a chili oil or something like that. Oh, it smells so good. They're almost finished. Okay, so now we're gonna turn down our heat. Now that everything's mixed up and together, we're gonna add in our limes. Couldn't find those for a second. So just gonna add like the juice of like half a lime just to give it a bit more of that sour. That in. So now we're just gonna finally add some green onions in, sprinkle that in. Oh my goodness. 1, color contrast. 2, deliciousness. I'm gonna help cut some of the oil. Wow. Boom. So that's how you make a quick chili garlic prawn noodle. And so I'm gonna go enjoy it while I'm here at this beautiful hip camp in the Sunshine Coast. Catch you next time.